How to check saved passwords on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Passwords application on your phone. The Passwords app is a dedicated tool for managing passwords, passkeys, and verification codes. As you can see, you require Face ID or passcode to open this app. Once you open the app, you will be brought to this page. Here, tap on All as shown. Over here, you can view all your saved passwords on iPhone. Open any app to view its password details. Now, go back to the previous page. Tap on Wi-Fi. Here, you can view all your saved Wi-Fi networks. Tap on any network. Press and hold the password and tap on Copy Password. And now, you can share the password with others. Following these steps, you can easily check saved passwords on iPhone.